Hello everyone. If you are planning to study in the USA, understanding I-20 and how to apply for the loan is really crucial. Let's see into this topic, and in this video we will go step by step what is I-20, how to apply for I-20, and also do you need to get a loan before I-20 or after I-20, all these details. Let's see. So let's start with what is I-20. So basically, once you get an admit from the university, you can request I-20 to the university. This I-20 will have a service ID which you will need for booking a visa appointment, and also we need this I-20 when we are going to the visa office. So I-20 is really crucial. This is the letter which will tell about your what is your tuition expense, and like what program you go, what university you go, and all these details. So I-20 is really crucial. So you can get like say like I got 4 admits and you get like 2 or 3 I-20. You can ask many universities I-20 also, but when you are applying for the visa interview, you will be using one university and you will go with that particular university's I-20. Say like for many students you might be getting admit whichever is the less ambitious university before, and later you would have got your ambitious university. You are eligible to apply for both university I-20, and then you can pick whichever I-20 you want, and then with that you can apply for your visa application. This is one thing which you need to know. And in this video I am not going to delve deep into the discussion between I-20 and visa, but one thing which I wanted to tell here is, in case say like the financial section, if you go, you will see 9 months or 12 months like that. This is basically 1 year estimate, and you will be having a total amount here. So whatever the total amount you are having here, it is always good to have 1.5 times of this money while you are going for the visa interview as your financial proof. Now let's jump into how to get my I-20. So you got your admit. Now you need to get your I-20. So for getting your I-20, there is a small thing which you need to pass, which is basically like you have your total amount you will be having in your university amount here. So the university will ask financial proof that you need to show them, hey, I am meeting this criteria and I have the eligible funds for this completing this course. This is my funds, like that. So once you give that, basically you can use anyone's funds, meaning say like your uncle or aunt or your father and mother, if they are having enough fund and if they are giving you a letter from the bank letterhead with a seal and a stamp, like seal and a sign, that should be good enough, where they should mention like hey, this I am so and so person sponsoring so and so this person, and I have a liquid fund in my bank of this much amount, something like that they need to give. You can give that as a proof, financial proof to the your university, and then you can get it approved. Say like that is not happening, and no one is having that much money whichever you have in your financial requirement, then the next step what you can do is go and approach like banks, and you can get the finance from your bank for your education. So when you are going or approaching bank, there is two kinds of loans which you can go. One is like private loan, another is public loan. Just like public banks you can go, or private banks you can go. Sometimes some banks do ask your I-20 for giving the like what to say, the loan amount. So at that point of time, in case if your college in the admission letter, if they had mentioned like per credit hour this is the amount or something like that, then you can use that to negotiate with the bank. But many times bank won't agree in case if they don't have I-20. In that case you can even try project prodigy fund or like a empower finance and stuff like that. It's completely up to you. And in case if you are going to private bank, mostly they agree without I-20. But if you go to public bank, most banks ask for collateral, which is like you need to give your house property or something like that. So that is the next thing which you need to know. if you are going for like bank loans, I would even suggest like this Gyandan. They are doing relatively good job. All you need to do is go and apply. There will be some agent or something will come in contact with you, and this is completely free. So in case if you want to give a try, please go and give a try. And that is the loan aspect of the thing. So yeah, basically if you want a loan, you can go to a private or public bank. And if you don't have a collateral, then you can go with the private bank, because most public banks do ask a collateral. So these are some points which you need to remember, and I feel like these are essential points which you need to take away from this video also. In a short, what I would like to say is, if you are someone who is looking for getting an I-20 and waiting for getting an I-20, you need to have some financial proof with you, that which you can use your own funds, or get a loan, use the document and apply for your I-20, get your I-20 and book your visa slot. This is all the entire key points which I feel like you need to take away from this video. And I hope this video will be helpful, and I'll meet you in different video. And in case if you are someone who is looking for getting a scholarship, you got your admit and you doesn't know will I get a scholarship or not, I have my website here which is completely free for students. You can go and then click all these details, and you can click find university. For example, if I give for an United States of America, nationality Indian, university applying to, let's do like ASU, Arizona State University, because many people do get ASU and you might be looking for that. And let's click some electrical engineering, applying for ECE. uh, TOEFL score is 92. Gender male, ethnicity Asian. Asian, intake fall, select program masters. And if you click find scholarship, this will give enough scholarship, what are all the scholarship you will be eligible for, and which and all you can apply for. You can even get a scholarship and then attach that also as a financial proof along with that, along with this thing. It will also be helpful for you. And that will be all for this video, and hope this video will be helpful for you guys. Bye, take care, meet you in the next video. Bye.